brother was his sister.
Well, come on, that's a funny thing to put on there.
Yes.
Oh, nobody here knows what it is, do they?
I do.
No, just kidding. You couldn't tell me.
Is this the box, the real box?
No.
Oh.
Is that a personal shredder?
Yes, this is for shredder. I got a shredder.
We could go private.
Hey! That is cool.
Nay,
What is it?
It is.
Extraordinary Chickens Calendar.
Love it.
That is freaking awesome.
That's
All of this was found at Savers, by the way.
Look at that one.
You know, she called me at Savers and asked me the most bizarre question.
How great that is.
That's a frizzy.
Well, his gift is incomplete.
This is a
There's
brain
nothing I
head.
can do about that.
Check him out.
He's got earrings.
I hear you lost your chicken, buddy.
He's full. Yeah, she died. Uh-oh. One of the days have been circled. Memorial Day and Mother's Day have been circled in pen.
It was a Savers.
Oh.
It's you.
That's freaking awesome.
2009 one, though.
I know. Who gives that to Savers after they circled all the holidays? Look, that's
That's so funny.
right there. That's Frontine. It's the same kind Frontine was, not that one, the little one.
Okay, shall we go on to the next gift?
Yes.
Is this is this the Santa Claus outfit?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my heavens. It's for real.
Oh my
Yay!
God.
You got that at Savers? He's gonna throw up. Get a picture. Get a picture. Get a car.
Unreal.
This is awesome.
How could you people rent those suckers for $100 a day?
That's mine now. I'm gonna be the fat man. Who wants to go near nothing? Oh, we need to get the rest of it.
Buttons.
We need to get some.
And you need some boots?
It does it. Black belt.
Yeah, we do. We need something to make me look fat.
Yeah, you're one of the most.
I can wear it.
I can only see the bottom.
Oh.
Oh.
Ow.
You got the pants on?
Yeah.
Pants on?
You have some black boots, don't you?
I do
I
have black
figured
boots.
the pants were
Nicole,
okay
would you
being short
picture
because
it
the
for me?
boots would
Yeah,
cover
the
it.
boots.
Yeah. I can
Make
tuck
it
my
so it
pants
ends
into my boots.
Yeah. You gotta show Mom what a sweet suit it really is.
Katie, where did you go?
Put this in your stomach.
Yeah.
If this
That just kills me.